Hello! I am Joshua with Joshua's Recordings. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded a video in a while, but I got something for you now. This is a Samsung dryer. Not that old. Let me move you back a little bit. It's not that old. Fortunately, it has clothes in it. But this was made, tag's peeling, in 2010, the 10th month, so we probably bought it, or my family, probably bought it in probably 2011 or 2012, considering how slow things ship. It's already broken. Well, what can you expect from modern appliances? Oh, shut up. So, basically what it does, belts have been replaced twice, just thought I'd let you know. And we got another problem with the thing, and that is heating coils are probably shot. They won't. After reading online about it for a little bit, I have found out not much. Schematics are not available for this, and or at least easily. So I'm going to diagnose a couple things. One thing's going to be the heating element. I'm going to see if I get any response from the heating element. Alright. That wasn't good. No resistance on the heating element. That would let us know that it's probably a blown element at fault. Just to make sure. Yep, nothing. Bad element. Alright. Solved that problem. Unfortunately, it is a bad element, that's the problem. So, alright, so now I'm going to remove the heating element and see if there's anything visibly wrong with it. So I'm going to zoom in down here and bear with me. I'm just going to drop the camera down a bit. Guys, how to do this. It's pretty simple. Get a screwdriver. Take this moisture sensing wire and disconnect it. This is sharp, so just remember that. Remove this screw. A lot of dust down there, so we're going to remove this screw here. Making sure that you have unplugged the appliance. That is one of the most important things. So we're going to remove that. Then we're going to take the element, free it from the bracket. And then we're going to remove the bracket. wires. Make sure you don't remove the wires. Okay, now what you're going to do, flip it on its side and remove the screws holding the thermal protection in place. And the high overload limit switch off as well. Actually, no, sorry. This one is the thermal protection. And this one here is the high overload switch. Now we got out the elements, and they look crusty. And that is how you remove the elements out of a Samsung dryer. So now I'm going to show you how to take apart the cabinet. There's basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws holding it together. So you're going to want to remove them. See that? Right there's where it came apart. The element is definitely what's wrong with this dryer. So there you go. Alright, so we have narrowed it down to the heating element. So we're going to take out the heating element. First thing you're going to want to do is these tabs here. You're going to want to take them and bend them. Just like so. And pull those out. And our old heating element just comes out like that. Here's our new element. We're getting this from repairclinic.com. So and we're going to take these. Just put that through there, like that, and take this, and put it through there, like that. Alright, but we're not done yet. First things first, we need to move this piece to line up with those screw holes, so right about like that. So to do that, we are going to also want to make sure we got enough slack on these wires. And we certainly do. Alright, so now push those out. Where's they go? There's little tabs here. You're going to want to bend them. On each side of each terminal. Bend them both in. Right. Verify them come out. And then we will do the same thing for this bottom one here. Our heating coil assembly is finished. Now we're going to take it and we're going to put our thermal sensors back in place. We're going to start with our thermal sensor. Now we'll take our thermal overload sensor and screw that into place. Go. Now we will take our cables and plug them into the new coil, like so. And now our new coil is wired up. Now, for the hard part, you're going to take coil assembly and shove it in the dryer. Still warning you, these are sharp. Alright. Now we're going to reconnect our moisture center sensor. Right, like that. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to make sure everything's working before we put the front grill and clutch back on. So we're going to take this switch. This is what lets you know the door is shut. Let the dryer know. We'll plug it in. That. We're going to take the control panel. We're going to plug it in. that. Right. Now. Now, we're going to plug it in and pray that it doesn't blow up in smoke and sparks. Well, so far so good. Alright. Make sure the drum can spin freely. Yeah, alright. Let's see. Oh yeah. Why I do not like when there are clothes in a wire I am trying to fix. Alright. But did we see anything glowing down there? At least it keeps it off the dirty beautiful floor. Alright. Now, let's try this again. Watch that coil. But that's turning red. Success. Oh, it's nice and hot and sticky. Alright. That is how you successfully fix a dryer. Now let's reassemble it. Oh, it stinks. I suppose it looks like when you grill. Kind of weird. It is recommended, at least by me, that you should run a load on your dryer before actually washing clothes. So let's take this off again. I'm going to show you how to take this in and out of the front panel. Here's the front panel. And there's a little hole that goes in. It's pretty simple. You're going to take it from the front, just going to put it in there and snap it into place. Just like that. Pretty simple. So, but when we put that back on, we need to put this back on. But it is a mess. There's a lot of yuck in there. So let's just, even screws and such. We're just going to take that out and throw it all away. You don't have to get it perfect, of course, but get as much out as you can.
Increase power.
At least with we're gonna take our thick cord and plug it back in. Boom. And turn it on. Open the door. Light works. Hold that. And bang. Warm. Alright. Bam, it works. We're gonna run a low as possible, probably like 10 minutes. Alright, you can run 9, 5, a minute and 6, alright, so around 10 minutes. And to burn off the new coil smell. So that's how you fix a Samsung dryer that has a busted coil. Troubleshooting and fixing done by Josh's Recordings. Thank you for watching.